That's that. Give it a little wiggle. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay?
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on the channel, and today on the menu I've got for you, or for me rather, you guys are just watching. I've got a bit of chicken and rice. I know I've made chicken and rice before, I'm sure I have. Now the only thing is, I went to a restaurant, the presentation looked good, and it was grilled chicken. So I'm gonna try and attempt to do the same thing, although I don't have all the ingredients that they had. So let's see how it goes. Before any of that, subscribe to my YouTube channel at MosToosifar. Follow me on Instagram as well at MosToosifar as well. And enjoy the show. Right, ladies and gentlemen, here's how we start. You got your frying pan, you heat it up, it's on there. What you want to do is quite simply put a little bit of oil in there, right? Is that enough? Yeah, possibly, maybe. Could you put a bit more in there? Of course you can. So what are you gonna do? Top it up a little bit more. There you go. That's that. Give it a little wiggle. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay? And then, all you wanna do is get your chopped or diced chicken, pour it in there, and then spread it out. There's 2 pieces of chicken breast in there. Okay, that's getting done. What I'm going to do meanwhile, whilst that's cooking, I'm going to turn on the grill. Okay, as this is going on, you want to gently season it. You want to season it with a bit of salt. Okay, put bit of pepper in there, right? And then you put a bit of turmeric in there. Give it that colour. You want it to get that orangey colour, right? And then to give it that beautiful fragrance, that smell, the taste, what you need is this gold stuff, known as saffron. Put a bit in there, just a little bit, right? Done. All you have to do now is mix it all up and let it marinate as it's cooking. Look at that, see how it changes colour? Can you see the beautiful colour? That nice, like orangey yellow, rich colour, and believe you me, the taste, the taste is, that's all I've got to say. Right, that's that. We're going to let that go on for a bit, and then what I'm going to do, what's next, right? Let this cook for a bit, and then we're going to get our rice ready. So I'm going to turn this down so we've got some time. I'm going to get the rice cooking, and I shall see you in a moment or two. Okay, so this is our washed rice. We've got our trusted, beloved olive oil. Goes in there. Get that last bit of drop in there. Done. Okay? And of course, can't forget the salt, right? There you go. Done. And now, moving back over to our chicken. Look at that. Can you see the colours? That is beautiful, isn't it? And our grill is pretty hot. which is great, what we need. Get this cooked for a little bit more. Right. There's that. Where's the lid? There's the lid for that. That'll take roughly 10-15 minutes to get ready for the rice. This will bring in about 5 minutes, and then we can pop this bad boy into the grill, have the chicken grilled as well, and put it on a plate, present it to you guys, and hopefully get a good thumbs up. But guys, please do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to it. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on MosToosifar. I'm there. I ain't going anywhere, it's free. Okay. It's been about 5 minutes. What I'm about to do, this is our baking tray, which I'm gonna need to put the chicken in there and put it in the grill. I don't have any skews to do that, otherwise preferably it would be nice to have it on skews. If not, you can just put it in one of these and stick it in the grill. And what you want to do is try and avoid putting any of the oil in there, but we can always use it after to put it on top. Yeah, look at that, guys. Can I just say, this smells so good. Beautiful, amazing, amazing, amazing. What I'll do, oh, have a look at that. Be careful with that rice. Try and spread them out so they're not sitting on top of each other, so they could all get grilled nicely, evenly. Look at that, guys. Look at that last bit of chicken. Leave the juice there, because you'll need that. You can put some of that on top of the chicken again once it's come out of the grill. Oh, this hot. Let this go in, and we'll see how it goes when it comes back out. There you are. I'll make it quicker, right? For the grill, give it roughly about 5 minutes. Check up on it, see how it is. If it needs more time, leave it in there. If not, take it out. Bob's your uncle. Look at that. That's rice. Oh my god. That rice is amazing. Oh wow, we've got a lot of steam going on in the kitchen. The smell of the rice is amazing. It's beautiful. If you're not hungry, you smell that, makes you hungry. That's the rice I'm talking about. Anyway guys, I'm going to stop right there. I'll give it 5 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, so I think we are pretty much all ready. Look at that. I'm going to turn that off. Right, move it over. Put this somewhere else. Right, and then we're going to turn this off the grill. Get our chicken out. Ooh, be careful that heat hits you right in the face, guys. Look at that. Dry it out nice. Okay. Now, earlier, I just put a bit of salad, lemon, and put some olive oil on there. Now, it's time to dig out the rice. Look at that. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. All right. Just give it a mix. It's getting heated again from underneath as it was hot in the pan, but there you go. So what you want to do, bring this up to the pan so it's easier. Okay, just get a small portion in there, just like so, a little bit more. Right, just a tiny bit more, just to make me happy. You know, I love my rice. That's done. And then moving over to our chicken. Placing them there. Look at that. Look at the colour. Look at the text. I don't know. I'm hungry, guys. I'm sorry. Be careful with your hands as it is hot. Right. Get some of that good chicken. There you are. The only thing that is missing, I didn't have any peppers to put on there. I didn't bother with that. But that is your chicken and grilled chicken and rice portion. Bon appetit. Do me a favor, again, like I said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, MosToosifar. I'll be there. Bon appetit.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come